There we go.
Bigfoot farmer.
Bigfoot farmer. Cooking.
Great day, Memorial Day. Thanks for serving.
Okay, so we are out here today, Memorial Day, celebrating a few things. We have Weston is turning 6, so we're having a party for him. We're also celebrating Memorial Day. We want to thank our present, our past, and our future men and women in the service. We have the freedoms because of them, and we just want to thank them. And we are also doing a gender reveal. I will be shooting a box of Tannerite, and big cloud of powder will be exploded, and we'll see if we're having a boy or girl. So we're cooking right now, cleaning up, and waiting for our guests to arrive. We're gonna have a good time, and celebrate all these big events.
Who is this?
This is Remy.
No, it's not.
He's big, huh?
How? Yeah.
He's just
Look at
giant.
this is the infamous.
Yeah, man. This is the wood chip garden, man.
Yeah, I saw you make it.
Heck yeah.
How long did it take you to get all these freaking wood chips?
Quite a bit.
A few episodes. How long have you been here now?
Since July.
Season 2,
it?
we started seeing the wood chip.
But there's a local tree guy that just dumps them. Yeah, man, we got, you name it, we got it. Two apple trees, 20 blueberry bushes, 25 raspberries. That's the duck house.
Duck?
Yeah.
You have ducks?
Yeah, they go
They're
cruise.
swimming over there.
Bees, sheep.
You have bees?
Yeah, man.
You have your own honey?
We will this fall. Oh, that's electric. You might get zapped. Sometimes the boots don't work.
You have names?
The black one doesn't have a name. He's gonna be dinner.
Oh.
My father's name was Bye Bye. Yeah, his name is Bye Bye. His name's Bye Bye. I don't know. Ellie named him. Eleanor named him.
And we have two geese, but they like their field better.
That's yours?
No, the geese are.
Okay, because Ethan and I saw it earlier. He's like, it's probably theirs. I'm like,
Yeah, no, we.
then there were 4 ducks walking around here too.
For some reason they go over there.
Their grass must be better.
Yeah. 50 of them are.
How many are in each one?
One has 39, and I don't know the other one. We had 103, but a lot.
They don't come out? They're well trained. Wow.
Oh, you got them when they were that little.
Yeah, the black one was big enough. I didn't need to. Really, only one.
And we move this every day. You can tell. So like,
okay. Yeah, I saw
sort
that
of
here.
the green. Yeah.
He just goes in. He don't care.
Be gentle.
Look at that.
You gonna grab one of these? Yeah, let's see it. Mommy's not gonna catch one.
Yeah.
It sounds funny.
Which one did you make D-Rock pick up? Was that over there?
Yeah.
This is a big one.
That was a meat bird rooster.
Are you going to smile for the camera? Hey guys, look up here. Jenny, look at Nan.
Goose.
These are Kiko goats.
Now, what's the difference from those?
So these are meat goats.
What you're eating?
So we can't eat them. Yep. And then another meat goat is.
So why do you have those in?
Those are sheep.
Oh, those are sheep.
Yep. And then then they have like milking goats, Nigerian. Hey! Both does. Down, moose. Both does. We're getting a buck here in July.
Both does.
Yeah, these are both does. But so see how thick that was? That
They ate all that?
though they cleared this out, and then I moved them probably 2 weeks ago, a week. 2 weeks, and now they cleared this out.
Wow. It was that. Wow, that was all full.
So that was not as this was more full.
Yeah.
But it was, you couldn't, it had briars past your head, and they cleared it out. It's off, Weston.
Well, you were serious, it was electric. Didn't get me. Oh. Missy and elephant.
They're really far back in here.
Why are you blocking me? Smile.
These are Yorkshires.
Yorkshire. Where'd you get them from?
Walmart.
Craigslist, Walmart, parking lot of Walmart.
No.
It was ghetto.
Hey, they worked out.
Yeah.
They look delicious. They don't try to get out of this fence.
Nope. Well, they try, but they get zapped.
I've seen them get zapped.
Yeah, that's the biggest one right there. Do you have names for them, Weston?
Eater.
Huh?
Eater Chomper.
Eater, Chomper. Which one's Chomper?
The fence is on.
Oh.
Yeah.
Keep it on, buddy.
What?
Keep it on so they don't know it's off.
I'm coming over.
There's the gird sweet.
Alright, party's going sweet. We ate food. We had the ninja course for Weston's birthday party. And we're going to have the big reveal. I'm going to have Weston shoot. I'm going to give him a shot. We've been practicing. If he doesn't hit it, I'll see what I can do and I'll shoot it. So here we go.
Good job, buddy! You did such a good job! You did. You're so good at that.
It's a girl. 3 boys, 2 girls. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Woo!
Thanks for the Mom, can you hold?
What a blast. Everyone's gone, cleaning up, had great food, great conversation. Weston had so much fun. We had a ninja obstacle course, coming down the slide, jumping over paper fire. We had great food. Buddy Ethan and Alex were here at 8 o'clock, smoking chicken. We had burgers. Man, we had such a great time, and we're having another girl. That's exciting. So, it's a great day, celebrating life, celebrating Memorial Day, thanking, all the servicemen and women for allowing us to do this and have freedom in this country. It's such a blessing. Do not take it for granted. But we're in cleanup mode now. Like I said, everyone's gone. Getting the kids to bed. I wanted to say thanks for watching, and we ask you please subscribe. We're growing a little bit each and every day. There's a lot going on here. I'm gonna have a good update video. My camera was broken. I got it fixed just in time for this party. We're really excited. We got a lot going on. Our garden's booming. We got the lambs growing. The goats are clearing. I'm pretty excited about them. And then our pigs, they're massive. 2 of them are about to go to butcher. And 2 more are gonna get plump for the fall. So a lot going on. We're gonna be sharing it. We're gonna be pumping out some videos for everyone to see how we're living. So I appreciate you watching, and I just want to do a big thank you for everyone that came. You guys are a great part of my family's life, and I'm proud to be able to share my family with you guys. And you guys are family too. So thanks for watching for everyone. And please subscribe. It's a girl!